In the vast, icy wilderness of Antarctica, where the wind whispers secrets and the snow sparkles like a million tiny stars, lived two brave adventurers. Pip and Squeaky, members of the Griffon's crew, journeyed to the bottom of the earth to help magical creatures in need. One chilly morning, Pip and Squeaky arrived at the South Pole, the coldest, windiest, and driest place on Earth. The snow stretched endlessly, and the sky seemed to hug the world in a blanket of white. At the heart of this snowy land, the Griffon's crew met the wise and dignified emperor, leader of a large colony of emperor penguins. These remarkable birds were preparing for their annual march. Our Southern Star compass, which guides all migratory animals, has been shattered by a magical blizzard. Without it, many creatures would be lost. Pip and Squeaky knew they had to help. The Emperor told them about the 3 shards of ancient ice needed to rebuild the compass. First, Pip was guided to a deep snowbank. She carefully dug with her fingers, feeling the crunch of ancient ice beneath the snow. After a few moments, she uncovered the first shard, glowing softly with a magical blue light. Next, Squeaky slid down an icy tunnel, smooth as glass, twisting and turning like a frozen river. At the bottom, resting on a bed of sparkling ice, was the second shard. Squeaky picked it up gently, careful not to let it slip away. Finally, the Griffon's crew needed the 3rd shard, guarded by a territorial skua bird known for its fierce protection of its home. Quill, a kind and gentle friend of the crew, approached the skua with calm words and a warm smile. Quill persuaded the bird to share the precious shard for the sake of all animals relying on the compass. Together, Pip, Squeaky, and Quill returned to the Emperor. They carefully placed the shards back into the Southern Star compass. Slowly, the magical ice began to glow and sparkle, shining brighter than ever before. Thanks to you, the Emperor penguins can safely begin their long journeys once more. As the birds and animals prepared to move, Pip and Squeaky felt happy, knowing they had helped protect the magic of the South Pole. They also remembered the amazing facts they had learned. Antarctica was the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. Antarctica is home not to humans, but only visiting scientists, and the amazing emperor penguins who face the toughest winter of all. With hearts full of warmth, the Griffon's crew waved goodbye to their new friends and set off into the icy horizon. They were ready for their next magical adventure, wherever it may lead. The end. Thank you for reading.